This third problem, we're trying to do the same thing, find the area of the sector and the perimeter of the sector. And when we look at this, we see we have a diameter. Diameter will cut the circle into a semicircle and another semicircle. Semicircle measures 180 degrees. So if this arc measure is 45, this has to be 135 degrees. If this radius is 6, this one is 6, as is this. So we're going to start by finding the area, and same plan as always. It's going to be the arc measure over the whole circle of 360 equals the area over the whole area of, this would be 36 pi. When we multiply diagonally, I get 4,860 pi equals 360x. If I divide by 360, I get 13.5 pi. Because we are doing a lot of Google Forms, we're going to change that into a decimal, easier for you to write your answers. Use the pi key on your calculator when you multiply this out, not just 3.14. Use the pi key because you'll get it wrong if you're not using that. Whoops, that's wrong. It would be then 42.412 is approximately the answer. And that is in meters squared. Now when we're finding the perimeter, it's very similar. Again, 135, the arc measure over all of a circle. But we're looking for the arc length here, not the area, so we use the circumference. And the circumference would be 2 pi r, which is 12 pi. Multiplying diagonally, you get 1,620 pi equals 360y. And if you do the division, you get 4.5 pi. That's the arc length. When we want the perimeter, we need a radius plus the arc length. And then again, make sure you're using the pi key on your calculator to get your answer. And, you should practice. Make sure you get the same answer as I do. It is 26.137, and that would be meters. Okay, just one more example, and then we're done.